Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and my friends over at Urban Armor Gear, also known as UAG, sent me a handful of cases. These cases are for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It is an amazing device, not the cheapest device, especially going the Ultra route. So you want to make sure that your device is in a case that you trust to protect your phone. You heard me, that you trust to protect your phone. That is so important. You want to make sure whatever case that's going to protect your phone, you have confidence that it's just not stylish and it looks good, but it's actually going to protect your phone from a fall that could devastate the screen, the corners, the back of it, the edge of it. You don't want to break anything. You want it to survive. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to put a few of these cases to the test and see if this device can survive a fall from the pocket, from up here, from over there, from everywhere. We're going to see if we can break the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So we've got three cases that you know, love, and have seen before, but we also have this new case line called Lucent, and this is actually a pretty cool case. It's a little bit more thinner and flexible than what we're used to seeing and getting from Urban Armor Gear, but it does serve a purpose. It's like it hugs your phone and creates this amazing bumper around the whole entire device. And look how awesome that looks in the actual case. So this is the Lucent. It's got little dots all over it. Hopefully you can see that, and it's picking up on the camera pretty good. And those little dots look awesome. They look cool. I like it. And it kind of creates this different texture between here and where the camera casing is. So this is more of a bumper. If you're kind of really safe with your devices, I think this is probably the best one for you. But if you are anything like me and you're not safe with your devices and your devices are in danger just because you're holding them, well, then you need one of these. And my absolute favorite of these is the Plasma. Now, the Plio is not yet out. If the Plio was out, it would be here and I would be loving all over it, and you know that. But the Plasma, the Plasma, this is the clear Plasma. I've shown you guys this case for so many different phones. It's nothing new. The cutouts are amazing. The buttons are great. It's stylish. It has honeycombs in the middle to protect your device from any sort of drops. It's got like little spaces in the corners to create a little bit of resistance, cushion, protection. I don't know. It helps protect your phone. That's what it does. This one has really good raised edges. I know I always talk about that whenever you're looking at a case for your smartphone. You always want to look at the raised edges. Make sure, nice, level. This looks great with this black. It's actually phenomenal. I love this. The buttons on it they're amazing. I mean, Urban Armor Gear makes really, really good cases. They are not the cheapest cases in the world. We'll go ahead and flash the price up right there. There's the Lucent right here, Lucent. Now we're going to go ahead and the Plasma. I think they're like $49, $39. So it's not the cheapest, but it's also not quite as expensive as maybe like an OtterBox series. Now over here, the Pathfinder, I'm pretty sure this one is definitely $49. Maybe I'm speaking out of turn. I can't remember off the top of my head. But this one, this one's protection. This is like, I actually think I dinged my table in a couple drop tests with the Pathfinder. So this is the Pathfinder. I went for the camo version, and I love camo. I love orange camo more than anything, but they didn't have an orange camo, so I settled for just the camo. So that's pretty good. Here's the actual case if you want to take a moment and look at it. There is the Pathfinder. Now this is the Monarch. Now this one has got a couple different little unique features to it. It's got these little screws, right? Now, I don't know, I doubt these are real screws, but I really like the look of it. I like how they put it in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry if you can't see it. Oh, there it is. Little screws right there. So there. But this is another solid device, case for your device. And it also has this leather kind of look and feel there. So it's a little bit on the dangerous side. And I do like this one. This one is for me. This is to protect me in my life. This device is in danger with me holding it. So it's a little bigger than what I'm used to, so I'm definitely going to drop it. I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro, so it's definitely smaller of the device. And now I'm going to start using this one to get a good feel so I can do a proper review for you guys. But I do think that I'm going to end up dropping this, which is exactly what we're going to go do right now. Okay, so here we are outside, and I have the Monarch on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we're going to go ahead and do a drop test on the actual concrete. So for all the people who keep whining and complaining and bitching about my drop tests, well, here's some concrete, and we're doing a drop test on the concrete. So get ready. I hope I don't break my phone. So it was definitely a pretty rough drop. Here is a little bit of scuff right there on the actual case, which came right off. But other than that, there is no damage to the screen or the case other than that, which just brushed right off. So let's go ahead and move on to I believe this was the Monarch. Let's go back to the Pathfinder. So I think I'm getting more and more anxiety with every drop test. So I don't know if you can hear it on the slow-mo. It hit hard. It hit the ground hard. And I was nervous. And I was like, is this it? Am I finally going to break a phone? Did Urban Armor Gear let me down? No. I got one little scuff, which if I had to guess, it wiped right off. So that's it. A little bit of stuff. No big deal. So let's go ahead and move on to the plasma, and let's see how that's going to perform. So there was the plasma, no damage anywhere. Camera looks amazing. No damage to the device, no damage to the case. That one hit hard, it hit weird. I was like, oh, I don't know if we're gonna survive, guys. But there it is, Urban Armor Gear. Check it out. There will be links in the description. If you want to go ahead and purchase one of these bad boys, I'll go ahead and get you an Amazon affiliate link so I can make a little bit of money off the sale, or you can go straight to Urban Armor Gear. You won't hurt my feelings. Most important thing is you get a good case that's going to work for you. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.